Jurassic Park, Rex Rampage, part 15. So yes, here we are with the final part of the construction, of course, and we started off by making these 6 little fire buckets, wall attachments, whatever you want to call them. As you can see, we make up a block, it'll stick to the wall, the little orange round stutters with the flame pieces sticking on top. Really good, really easy build. Hard to get the flames all flowing in the same way, but we struggled and we did. And then we've got these full flame pieces here, 2 single stutters with a flame piece on top that's going to go on top of the gate structure. Alright, let's get on with the build. Before I actually put the minifigures on, I thought I would show you the actual sign, because the minifigs will definitely be in the way of what it actually says. And as you can see there, it says Jurassic World, Tyrannosaurus Rex, name meaning King Tyrant Lizard, height 5.2 meters, which is 17.9 feet long, length is 13.5 meters, which is 42.29 feet. Weight is 8.4 tons, which is 18,518 pounds. Diet is a carnivore, which means it only eats meat. And the habitat is the Isla Nublar. But I just wanted to show you that before the minifigs go on. So that's it, that's the build complete, part 15, and the entire build is now finished, the gate and the minifig rack. We'll do a quick little review before we have the full review tomorrow. As I said, we built up the flames first. Don't know if you can, yes you can see them just about if I zoom in. Flames on the top, down the sides, as you can see. We then started on this fauna, this flowering, whatever you think. We did have one little problem where this little brown bush was supposed to have the flowers on. It turns out that the actual plastic things are too thick to go through, so I basically just put the brown twiglets. Not that you would know if I didn't tell you, but I'm telling you as it is, because it'll be interesting if anybody comments on the Lego version to see if it fits correctly. The same with the fauna on the other side, looking really good with the fire. Absolutely fantastic. Once that was done, once the fauna was on, that was the gate. Totally and utterly complete. Really good, interesting, everything's on ace. Be interesting to see how we move it for the full review. We then built up the rack, the actual stacking rack for the minifigures. You've seen the side at the back. I showed you that earlier because what I wanted to show was with the figures on, you can't actually read the reading on the back, which is a bit disappointing. I'm assuming the Lego version is exactly the same, so that will be interesting. All the figures are on. We'll come to those figures in the full review. We have a little bit of fauna and a little dinosaur around that fits on the end of the green pad thing, which is absolutely super. And then a little bit more fauna the other side. And as I say, that is the end of this build. The actual standing plaque of the minifigs is quite simple. Nothing to shout about at the back. One of those tilty things just clicks on. Nice little built up stand up frame. Little feeties, as you can see. Nothing that I would shout to you about and say really takes special attention. It is what it is. But it is done, it is complete, and we're ready for the full review next time. So with that, you know, I'm going to say, if you've enjoyed this little build, if you've enjoyed the videos that have gone with my build and my explanations, please give us a thumbs up. Yes, give us a like. And I really would like some comments on this set, because I'd like to know the difference between this set and the Lego set. Like I say, with the plants, with the figures, with the stickers, again, we'll come into greater detail when we do the full review. But it's been absolutely fantastic, this build. This part is complete. If you want to follow us on to the full review, which will be tomorrow, please click on that subscribe button, and also whatever build that we decide to do next, which is going to be quite interesting. But we've got the full review first, which is most important. Anybody who's seen this far, thank you very, very much. Like I say, I appreciate anybody who watches. I hope you enjoy the videos as much as I do, building the sets and then making the videos, editing and putting onto YouTube. With that, you know what I'm going to say. I am Square Ghost. My name is Kev, and I'll see you all on the flip side.